Ever wondered how to make your money work for you? Investing is the key. It's a world where your dollars become your employees and they toil day and night. Hold on to your hats, folks. We're about to embark on an exciting journey. So what exactly is investing? Well, at its core, investing is the act of committing your money into various assets, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate, with the expectation of generating a profit over time. It's about making your money work for you, instead of simply saving it under your mattress. You're essentially buying a piece of a business or property with the hope that it will grow in value. In essence, investing is like planting seeds for your financial future. Now let's talk about the dance partners of investing: risk and return. Like in any dance, balance is key. Risk refers to the chance you might lose your investment, while return is your expected profit. Higher risks often come with the potential for higher returns. Yet it's crucial to assess your personal risk tolerance. Are you a cautious waltzer or a daring tango dancer? Either way, striking the right balance is the art of this dance. Remember, a well-balanced dance between risk and return is key to successful investing. Ever heard of the magic of compounding? It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more snow as it goes. When you invest, you earn returns. Then those returns earn their own returns. It's money making more money. The trick is time. The longer you let your money grow, the larger that snowball becomes. It's not just your initial investment working for you, but also all the returns it has generated. Compounding, folks, is the secret ingredient that amplifies your financial gains. Let's explore the diverse world of investments. Picture this. Stocks are like buying a piece of a company, betting on its future growth. Bonds, on the other hand, are more like lending your money to a company or government, expecting it back with interest. Then there's real estate, where you invest in physical properties and mutual funds, a collective investment pooling money from various investors. With so many avenues available, there's surely an investment type that suits your style. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to start your investment journey. It's like setting sail on a vast ocean of opportunities where every wave represents a chance to grow your wealth. Remember, there's no perfect time to start investing. That time is always now. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the magic of compounding. Just as you wouldn't embark on a journey without a map, never dive into investing without clear financial goals. These goals will act as your compass, guiding you towards investment opportunities that align with your aspirations. Understanding risk and return is another critical part of your investment voyage. Remember the dance we talked about? The dance of risk and return? You'll need to find your rhythm, balancing potential profits with your comfort level for risk. It's a dance that never ends, but one that becomes more intuitive over time. And finally, don't forget the importance of diversification. Think of it as your safety net, ensuring that even if one investment doesn't perform as expected, others may still thrive. So, are you ready to make your money work for you? Start investing today and shape your financial future.